Hey guys, this is Onyi and I'm here to teach you 4 ways to compliment someone's appearance in Igbo language. So the first one, you can tell the person, hey, imakazi. Imakazi. Imakazi means you look so fine. Imakazi. So the second one is idioke. Idioke. Hey, idioke. You are okay. So idi means you are okay. Idi okay, right? The third one is idi hot. Nwa idi hot. So baby, you are hot. So idi hot means you are hot. Idi okay, you are hot, right? So you can say idi okay. You can say idi hot. Now the fourth one is idi osonanya. Idi osonanya. Or you can say idi uto nanya. So uso or uto, they mean the same thing, right? So idi uso nanya. You look so sweet. You look so sweet, Idi uso nanya, baby.